In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a passport-size photo in Microsoft Word. We'll walk through this from a completely blank document, so you can follow along even if you're not very familiar with Word. Go ahead and open Microsoft Word and create a new blank document. It helps to switch your view to something comfortable, like print layout, so you can clearly see the page as it will be printed. The first thing you'll want to do is insert the photo you're going to use. Click on the Insert tab at the top of Word, then choose Picture, and select the photo from your computer. Once it appears in the document, the image might be quite large, so don't worry, we'll resize it precisely in the next step. Now, with the picture selected, you should see Picture Format, or a similar option, appear on the ribbon. Click that and look for the Size section. Here you can enter an exact height and width for the image. Typical passport sizes vary by country, but a common size is about 3.5 centimeters by 4.5 centimeters. If you're working in inches, that's roughly 1.4 by 1.8 inches. Make sure the aspect ratio of your original photo is close to what your passport requirements need, so the face doesn't look stretched or squished. You can turn off lock aspect ratio if you need to adjust height and width independently, but try to keep the face looking natural. After setting the size, position the photo neatly on the page. You can drag it toward the top left corner and use the alignment guides that appear to help keep it straight. To make editing easier, right-click the picture, choose Wrap Text, and select an option like Square or Tight so the photo can move freely without pushing your text around. If you need multiple copies, for example to print several passport photos on one sheet, simply click the image and press Ctrl-C to copy. Then Ctrl-V to paste as many times as you want. Arrange them in a grid, leaving small gaps between each photo so you have room to cut them out later with scissors. Take your time lining them up so the final printout looks clean and professional. When everything looks good, save your document. Then go to File and Print. Use good quality photo paper if possible, and check your print settings so the page is not scaled or resized by the printer. That's all you need to create passport-size photos right inside Microsoft Word.